Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, we are taking a look at Meet EA for MT4. I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discussing the features provided by the developer, reviewing the historical backtest results if available, and then sharing some observations based on the historical testing performance. Starting here on the marketplace page, Meet EA is developed by Roman Kanushkin and is currently available for purchase at 1,250 US dollars, with rental options available for 1, 3, and 6 months. 1 month is going for 100 US dollars, 3 months is going for 300 US dollars, and 6 months is going for 600 US dollars. The version shown is 1.3, which was updated on December 25th, 2017. And according to the product description, Meet EA is a fully automated trading system designed to operate around the clock. The developer states that the EA analyzes market movement using a built-in indicator together with a moving average trend indicator. One important detail provided on the page is that the EA has been optimized for the EURUSD currency pair on the M30 time frame. Since the developer specifically highlights EURUSD M30 as the intended operating environment, then that's the primary context in which the system is designed to be used. The description also includes several practical notes. The developer recommends using an ECN or STP broker with low spreads, low commissions, and fast execution. In addition, the EA is presented as a set and forget system that does not require constant monitoring or frequent parameter adjustments. As we move into the settings section, we can see parameters such as base lot size, lot multiplier, deposit based, lot scaling, order timing controls, maximum open orders, take profit settings, and profit targets when using hedging functionality. The developer also specifically advises against changing the indicator parameters, suggesting that the provided configuration has already been optimized for its intended setup. Looking at the listed advantages, the developer states that the EA is designed not to trade against the market and that the settings have been optimized specifically for EURUSD on the M30 time frame. The description also notes that the system has been adapted to various market conditions, including slippage, spread expansion, and price gaps. Now, let us move into the backtesting section. As we review the historical testing results, it is important to remember that backtesting provides insights into how an EA performed under historical market conditions. While historical analysis can be useful for evaluating behavior and consistency, it should never be treated as a guarantee of future results. So now let's start by looking through the strategy tester reports provided here by the developer. We have EURUSD tested on M30. This is 4th January 2016 to 10th August 2016. And initial deposit was $1,000. Here we have total net profit over $26,000. Over $14,000 we are over 14,000 trades we are taking, precisely 14,159, out of which 11,947 were profitable, and that gave us an 84.38% win rate. So the win rate is good. The win rate is okay actually. And here we have the average profit as 9.42, but the average loss is 38.9. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is bad. So it's a combination of good win rate and bad risk to reward ratio. But at the end of the day, it still generated a net profit in positive. Here we have 4th January to 10th August. Initial deposit was $3,000. Total net profit here 39,848.56. 14,483 trades were taken, out of which 12,065 were profitable, and that gave us an 83.3% win rate. Here again, the risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. All right. And then here we have another report with $4,000. Total net profit in this case was 12,365.04. And I am wondering why the balance increased but the profit reduced, because here we had 3,000, net profit was over 39,000. Here we had 1,000, net profit was over 26,000. But in this case we had 4,000, but net profit was just 12,365.04. Meanwhile, 13,641 trades were taken in this case, and 11,868 were profitable, giving us an 87% win rate. So despite the win rate climbing to 87%, the total net profit reduced. Okay, I can see that the number of trades here was also less than what we have here and here as well. Okay, so here now average profit was $3.63, but the average loss was $17.34. So the win rate was good, but the risk to reward ratio was bad. Okay, now let us just also look at what we have. This strategy test, this EA is taking quite a lot of time to generate results. I had already reduced the duration to see if it's going to be faster, but still to no avail. So now let's actually look at the EA in action. I'm going to turn on the visuals, and as we have already looked at the strategy tester reports on the MQL5 Marketplace, at least we have seen how the EA's performance looks like. So now let us just watch the EA in action. We can see how it is stacking a lot of trades. So this seems to be the way the EA functions, the way it accumulates trades, a lot of them. We can see so many trades being executed. All right, so at least now we can see how the EA looks like practically. And then remember that backtesting provides insights into how an EA performed under historical market conditions. Okay, when reviewing testing results like this, it can be useful for evaluating behavior, but it should not be treated as a guarantee of future results. And then while we go through the chart activity, we can observe how the EA behaved during the tested period on EURUSD on the M30 time frame. And based on the developer's description, the system combines information from a built-in indicator with a moving average trend indicator, although the exact entry and exit rules are not disclosed. All right. Now, when reviewing any backtest, I always recommend extending the testing period whenever possible. Longer term testing can help provide a broader picture of how the EA reacts across different market environments and changing volatility conditions. But as for the historical testing performance, the results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. That is why it's important to conduct your own testing before considering live deployment. Overall, the Meet EA is presented as a fully automated MT4 Expert Advisor optimized for EURUSD on the M30 time frame with a focus on trend-based market analysis using a built-in indicator and a moving average. As always, make sure to thoroughly test the EA yourself and understand its settings before making any live trading decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.